Hi, I'm Adam from Spa Electrics, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Argon series light. First, remove the clear rim from the light. Next, unscrew the light anti-clockwise and pull the light out of the niche, bringing it above water level. Unscrew the plug top anti-clockwise and remove from the existing light. Place the plug top onto the new light, align the pins, screw the plug top up clockwise nice and firm until the tab on the red plug top aligns with the arrow on the light head. You are now ready to put the light back into the niche. Coil the cable up inside. Aligning the large tab on the back of the light and the large slot inside the niche. Push the light into the niche and turn clockwise. Lastly, aligning the arrow on the light head and the arrow on the rim, clip the rim back onto the light. The job is now complete.